So as you can see, I did end up using a tong eventually because the flat iron was giving me such a hard time, and I think now my curls are looking fine.
They are definitely.
And we are on our way to the venue, and we are so excited and nervous and whatnot.
I want to say something.
Okay, say something.
Like I'd already planned that that I'll say something, and probably you'll agree with me a bit or maybe a lot. Entire my life, I thought that you have friends when you meet them, when you hang out with them, or they're from your school or from your gully or whatever.
But after YouTube, this is something,
it's like you're meeting your friends, like actually as if you have a connection abroad, and now finally you're meeting
them for the first time.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm so nervous because, you know, I am a loud person, and a lot of people have told me that I'm a loud person.
I'm a Punjabi.
I'm a Jenny, but I'm still loud. But yeah, because I'm so scared that, you know, when I'm eventually gonna meet them and when they're gonna see that I'm actually so loud, they're gonna be like, ugh.
Yeah, but we are normal people, you know, so it is going to be like that. We might sneeze or burp like I was doing before the vlog. So
no, genuinely, you know, even if you ask her or if you ask me about her, we are so loud. Like if I talk with my hands, like
sometimes
you can see
in the restaurants we be awkward because we are talking loudly.
And
remember jam kiya gaye the?
Yeah,
there was nobody.
There was no damn body.
And then there were like corner में few people, and then we were talking so
loudly, and then we realized like, oh,
okay, everybody can listen, everybody can hear us clearly.
So yeah, that's the thing right now. We're still on our way.
And one more thing I want to say.
Say, you're so philosophical today, so say.
Okay, for the ones who are not able to meet us because they are not in Delhi or whatever it is, please pray that one day we have
world tour
meetup in your city, specifically Bombay.
Mumbai,
I really want to meet
like
up
there
in
were so
Mumbai.
many people who were like, please come to Mumbai, and
Google, call us to Mumbai.
Yeah.
Because this is from our own money. We can't do that in Mumbai. But if you call us, you know, we are
ready to come. Yeah, we're ready to come.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
hopefully
philosophical.
Hopefully we'll have a lot of meetups in a lot of places and would be able to meet. This is the start. Yes. ये तो बस शुरुआत है.
पार्टी अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
Also, I think so by the time this vlog is up, you would have already seen our get ready with us. We did shoot one right now. Yeah. We edited it. We like got ready a little early, and it was crazy.
It was
because karu, yeah, and we edited it so quickly, and then we uploaded it as well. So
only because we want you guys with us.
Exactly. So we did that. So if you haven't already checked it out, do check out our get ready with us as well. And yes, we will next see you at the venue because it's all about roads and
red lights.
So yes,
bye. Check out the venue. Shreya,
look at me, I'm fabulous.
I know, man. We're so excited.
Like I'm just going.
Although my channel's name is Moo Happiness, thanks to the printer. It's like a dream come true.
Yeah, it's 2:30 almost right now, and it's just.
Do you wanna see that who comes first?
Yes.
I really wanna see who comes first.
Let's वो ना first किट्टी में punctuality निकलती है.
Exactly. I think Tannu will come first.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think so too. Yeah.
Let's see. Or even Shivani can.
Yeah, Shivani also. But I don't know why I'm getting this feeling that Tannu jaldi aa jayegi. Because Tannu was like the
excited. She woke up at like 9 to fill up the form. Okay, so we were like, you know what?
Excitement ball. She was like that. It is like 3 minutes before we meet everybody.
And there are some people.
Look what I found.
Okay.
You saw Moo Happiness?
Now it's Sejog's jewelry.
Our printer guy
is the most epic person.
Hi guys. How's it going?
Awesome.
Great.
Hi. Okay, I especially love your haul and your review. I like everything. I love everything about you, and especially your wardrobe. I just adore it. I just
Kattal
wardrobe. Awesome. Seriously, it's like one kind of a wardrobe.
I love my happiness and I love SJ Love's jewelry.
Obviously.
They are so pepping up and they are so positive.
I love them too.
They are awesome. Like I love the hauls. I'm usually a haul lover, but actually for your videos, I love your TikTok.
First of all, I want to tell something that Shreya was the first ever YouTuber I've ever watched. I love her. And I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. I'm obsessed. Thank you. I love you both so much.
Actually, I started my YouTube with the YouTube inspirations. I started following Komal around about a year or so.
Yeah, because
And
I read a lot of your comments.
from Shreya, like from the day one. I'm following you from the day one.
Thank you.
I'm
Check
just
out our YouTube channel. Tell me the
beautiful
link. I'm
blogger.
going to link it down below.
Beautiful blogger.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too. Bas.
Okay, so long story short, I love you as a package. I love you both as one, and I love you for the person you are. And that is why we're here. And I love the kindness that you have, and I love you as a person, and I love you the way you talk and you make me feel even in the lowest times. I get like I love you and I love you, and I will keep on following you and I'll keep on supporting you till you get to the level of Superwoman. I really
उसके बाद भी चाहिए यार
and then
चलो मुझे 3 मिलियन हो गए
I know that.
3 मिलियन हो गए चलो unsubscribe.
Okay. I love you and I love you too. I love you guys together when you make videos together. And the best part is that my life is incomplete without your videos. Like I cannot come home. I mean, without watching a video, I cannot do anything. Not even eat my food. So, like, please do these stuff. Like, please keep on doing this good stuff.
Thank you.
Hi, I love you both.
We love you too.
You know, it's a little nervous.
You are part of my routine.
It is a part of your vlog. I mean,
Actually, Komal and Shreya is a part of my routine. Morning 9 o'clock, my subscription. My tablet, my subscription. I'm happy to see my happiness with something.
we all love you, as everybody knows. And I love your DIY videos, both of us.
Couscous वाला video. I ordered that as well.
That is so yummy. That is so yummy. मैं ऐसे घर पे हर बार कुछ कुछ खिला रही हूँ आजकल. जब आती है
खुद को ये राजमा डालने खाती हूँ मैं प्लेन कुछ
Okay, hi.
Hi,
Also, you look so pretty. And I love your mom.
Hi, Shreya, she's my inspiration. I follow you like religiously. I watch all her videos regularly. I watch YouTube. Thank you. And I
तुम भी हो
love,
साइड में
and no, it's not that, but
नहीं मजाक कर रही हूँ यार आई लव हर मैं खुद फॉलो करती हूँ
I do like her.
उसके जोक्स ऐसे होते हैं.
मैं कुछ नहीं करती लिटरली मुझे आते थे हम लोग बैठे बैठे होंगे ना कुछ भी बात हो गया हम लाइक आई एम फैबुलस
कैसे होते हैं. I love that part about her because she's so cool about things.
Okay, hi. So I love you both, and everyone has said so much. I don't know. You're always very helpful, and I started following you a year ago. I don't know.
ऐसे लग ज्वेलरी की बात हो रही है कोमल की नहीं आई एम हेल्पफुल हाँ उसने यूँ बोला है मैं मैंने बोला
बेचारी. कितनी परेशान है. मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ.
Your lookbook video. It was lovely. I love you. I don't know. I just.
Actually, I started following Shreya 1.5 years ago. I started following you 1.5 years ago. I was like, I'm very freak about hairstyles.
Hairstyles, huh?
आपका one and only hairstyle video.
I suck with hair
Actually, you can't trust me. That's the first YouTuber जिसने मुझे इतना इफेक्ट किया. Like, she talked इतने अच्छे से, like fan, बहुत बड़ी fan. मेरी मम्मा से एक टूप से हो गई इससे. I was like, no TV, nothing. Laptop खोल के every
YouTube.
time, daily.
मैं कल यही बोल रही थी she was talking about some ad and I'm like you know what मैं टीवी नहीं देखती मैं लैपटॉप पे होती पूरे टाइम
Laptop में सबसे पहले श्रेया में.
I love you, Komal. I know that. I love you a lot. Actually, you are the first YouTuber of my channel, and I follow each and every video of yours. I comment on each and every video of yours. It's just that you are so true towards the videos and you give positive videos. So that is the first thing which I love about you. And again, all the tea talks, all the hauls that you do, I'm so excited. And I'm working in Google, so I work in night shifts.
You तुम्हारा messaged me that you came to Google.
Yeah. And Shreya, I love your presence of mind a lot. Like the way you just imitate and the way you just react to all the things and all. It's so
The way ये अपने
so nice.
आप भी कोई वर्ड गलत बोल देते फिर आप भी यूज
मैं ऐसे ही हो गया ये देख देख के खुद का दिल कर रहा है ब्लॉग स्टार्ट करने का एंड आई नीड अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्प
Definitely started off. Definitely change your life forever.
It does.
Yeah,
It
even
does.
I
I love you.
I love you more.
I love you more. Okay, you are my inspiration, true inspiration.
Thank you.
And my half of the phone is covered with your photos. And my
Even mine.
and my history is covered with your history, all history. And you both together, a big yay from my side.
She has the same name as my best friend.
Yeah, it was like I started following Shreya first, like, and then I got to know about you.
Thanks, Rita.
फर्स्ट कोलैब था आपका होली वाला, उसके बाद से मैंने बस इन दोनों के वीडियो एक भी नहीं छोड़ते.
So first, actually I need to buy glamours. So मैंने उनका वीडियो देखा था, so I bought it. And then I got to know about you from the first collab video, right? The first one, And then my whole family knows about Shreya. My mother actually taunts me every time that look, Shreya has lost so much of
Shreya is talking. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. उसकी मम्मी भी follow करती है. Wow, यार. Wow.
but she looks
That is achievement. Like अपनी एज वालों को तो हर कोई पटा सकता है. Cougar करना डिफिकल्ट होता है. मम्मियों को पटाओ.
exactly. My mom was like, look at her, she has lost so much of weight. तुम्हें भी कुछ तो inspiration लो.
Apart from how much I love you, you are my source of happiness, and so does Shreya is. And hi. It's my birthday week. I couldn't even ask something better than this.
I know, because you wrote that it's my
It's my birthday week, and thank you so much for inviting me. I'm so thrilled.
Hi. So I used to watch endless beauty videos, and I wanted an Indian YouTuber so bad, and I found my happiness. I followed Komal when she had about 2,000 subscribers,
I know, because I know all your comments.
and I fell in love. Like it was love at first sight, and I couldn't stop watching your videos. I joined Twitter just to tweet you. Then through you, I got to know about Shreya. Shreya, you're full of life, and you should always stay this way. Watching you, it gives me energy.
समझाओ किसी को ये कि मैं अच्छी हूँ ऐसी जैसी हूँ.
And Komal, you have a closet like Carrie. जैसे I told my mom कि I want a closet like this. मैंने दिखाया कि वो renovation के बाद ना ऐसा closet
बनवाना.
And I genuinely love you, and you guys are doing absolutely amazing.
Thanks for coming.
I'm so happy right now, and I was actually in tears when I saw you. I'm like, oh my god, Komal. I'm so thrilled right now. Love you.
Hi Komal, hi Shreya. I'm Priya, and I started watching My Happiness first because what happened, I used to blog. I'm a blogger myself.
Lifestyle Priya.
So I just started, and I used to just watch Superwoman, and I used to watch many makeup videos. Then I just thought that Indian YouTuber भी कोई होना चाहिए, and I really came upon her, and I just could connect with her so easily because her attributes and my attributes are very similar, very like her skin type and other things, her choice of shopping, and I used to love her haul. Then I came upon Shreya, and she
You
used to
came
be
upon me.
your channel. I came upon your channel. I'm great. So I came upon her channel, and I just could, she was so witty, the way she speaks. She's like, this shade, this is so gorgeous. I'm like, I have to try this shade. I have to, and more especially ask for, this shade. And the way she's like, yeah, I'm like, okay, I have to check this. Yeah! With her products, I have to check this out. And then, I couldn't, stop watching you both because whenever I used to go and find makeup and everything, I used to be like, get My Happiness and SJ Love Jewelry give me the utmost happiness, and I could connect with both of you. So I can't stop watching you guys, and it's a part of my daily routine.
Hi.
So my name is Ritu, and Mama, I'm here. No, I have a baby, so that is not a problem. So I was telling my mother-in-law, Mama, I'm going for a meetup. Mama like, what? I'll show you. I'll show you. Kash wo log vlog bana le, so I can kind of show them the how gayi thi. And my husband was like, what you will do there? You'll see. You'll see.
Hi, my name is Akanksha, and sorry if I stammered a little because this is my first time speaking in front of you.
It's okay, we still do.
And first of all, I would like to thank you both because you're doing a great job. Makeup and skincare and all this beauty stuff gives confidence to a woman, and you have done so in my life.
Love you.
Thank you so much.
Sure, you remember my friend's piercing? नहीं मैंने टिप्स नीम की तिल्ली
You asked me कि भाई what happened? कैसे करना है?
By the way, looking damn pretty.
Thank you so
I
much.
love your outfit.
Love you.
Let me show your outfit.
Okay, so this is Risha. I started with My Happiness and then I went to Tesla Student. So I'm the third person here. I'm just counting like, yeah. So I started with Michelle Fan and Loves Beauty. They were the international bloggers. And then I was like, there's no Indian YouTuber, as she said, you know, whom we can connect to. There were multiple YouTubers, but none that we could connect to. So I started with your videos. And seriously, I can connect you to your videos. Whatever you make, the way you talk to me, I can feel like she's actually like looking at me and talking to me, and I'm like, yeah, that one. That's right. So I went to her page as well, and she was amazing too. And I love you both now. And this is like a dream. I'm kind of shivering. It's like hard to believe I'm sitting right here in front of the two people and watching.
Trust me, it's the same with us.
Yeah, you don't know how we are feeling right now.
You're not going to meet so many people. Shit, I can't do this. I can't.
As you
I
guys
love
know,
your
I start following you from the video Dunki. जिसमें you're asking in standing in washroom. मेरे बाल, you know, my hair doesn't.
Yeah, I used to film in washroom.
By the way, we're talking about. That's it. Love you guys.
Amazing.
Thank you so much. So we are so happy that all these amazing, beautiful, lovely girls could make it. We feel the happiest right now, guys. सामने पुलिस स्टेशन है और चिल्ला लो. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. I hope everyone is coming in the vlog.
Yeah, now everyone is coming to vlog.
We're gonna also cut a cake right now जो कोमल की मम्मी ने भेजा है. Thank you, auntie. Everyone, say thank you, auntie. Thank you, auntie. जय माता दी. जय माता दी. Happy meetup to you.
Happy meetup to us.
शादी वाला बोल रहा है.
So everyone has gone now and my hair is all crazy, don't mind that. We opened all the gifts and loved each of the gift, and Komal is having the Ferrero Rocher as she promised.
See, I'm not on diet thanks to the chocolates. And we loved it. It was amazing time. We had so much of fun.
Lots of fun.
We want to thank each one of you who came, and it was just amazing. Amazing.
So yes, we end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
And yes, let us know more collabs that you have in mind, and we will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care.
Stay happy. Bye.